They say in Massachusetts you can't snore with your windows open. Ha!
Some old-time town codes were rumored to ban noisy snoozing if the whole street could hear ya. Talk about bedtime etiquette.
Back then, houses were packed tighter, windows stayed open for fresh air, and snoring echoed like a brass band. Truth is, no statewide snore patrol ever marched in. But tiny towns sometimes cooked up odd noise rules, at least on paper. Real law or dusty legend? Either may. History's full of strange surprises. Follow FactMystic for more facts you were never meant to know.
Subscribe and follow FactMystic for such weird facts and daily updates. Greeniac. Facts you were never meant to know.